I'm not saying. Wait, that was just mine. That was mine. These are yours.
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
Daddy, what was
I
that?
broke my leg.
You broke your leg?
I have an injury.
Daddy, what was that?
The alarm went off.
Wait,
I have
that
an
was the
injury,
alarm.
Daddy. I have an injury.
That was the alarm.
I broke my leg, Daddy. I have an injury.
Are you telling me that's the alarm?
Yeah, I have a feeling that.
It sounds like a dead donkey honking.
Yeah, that's exactly what it sounds like.
I see the cherry. The cherry. The wild cherry. You see what's wild?
I got the wild strawberry.
You know what's down here? Because it was wild. That's why. It's a wild cherry hidden in the forest.
Right. Hello?
Hello, Manus.
Yeah, that was me.
That was me.
Who was that?
I'll talk. Well.
Eat your
Okay, bye.
Wild something.
Wild something.
Wild cherry. Got pussy cat. Pussy cat. It's purple.
Why is it purple?
Oh, mine's purple.
Yours is red. Mine's like reddish, pinkish, purplish, poopyish.
I got an injury because of that.
You just kick your leg on your butt.
Yeah. I had to kick the leg on the car. That's why I like to buy old fashion cars, is you don't automatic honk. You don't even have a honker. That's an old fashioned.
I can hear the alarm from like a mile away.
1 mile away.
If I was in Panama City Beach, I could hear that.
Yeah, but
Maybe
wait.
not that far.
Yeah.
Quail Lodge, yeah.
Maybe not that far either.
What about in outer space? Maybe from that house right here. They'll just messed up their whole life, right? That messed up my whole life. What's up, bud?
I wouldn't say it messed up your whole life.
It's a car alarm.
Yeah, they're kind of worthless.
I know.
Because I don't even know how it went off, but I doubt
Did you
this.
get called by the police? Or is mommy the police?
Yeah, mommy's the yeah, she's the police, all right.
Yeah, she catched your car on fire.
What?
Mom just catched your car on fire.
Mommy? Why?
She pressed the button. How dare she? She pressed the button and our car was about to blow up because of the bottle off.
It was not a bomb.
That was the food bomb. Did you remember that bomb that was in the house? You remember that bomb?
No.
That was worse than a bomb.
There was a food bomb?
I was just looking up I love cheeseburgers song. And then bomb came on.
You love cheeseburger too song?
I love cheeseburgers too. That means I love cheeseburgers too.
I mean, the bomb loves cheeseburgers.
The bomb
He's
loves-
like, give me some cheeseburgers. I mean, he said, I'll blow you up unless you give me a cheeseburger. I mean, he blew up.
What game's that?
It's not even a game.
Oh.
I love cheeseburgers too is a phrase from Vlogs. It means I love cheeseburgers too.
I love cheeseburgers too.
But you
And the
don't love
version too,
cheeseburgers.
right? I love cheeseburgers too.
But you don't love cheeseburgers.
I can sound like the fat cat that says it.
Fat cat Matt.
What? Fat chat what?
Fat cat Matt.
Fat cat Matt.
Oh yeah, you heard about that. Yeah, I remember.
Fat cat. What the
That
fat
catch the
cat?
fire! That catch the fire over there!
Yeah, that was a huge fire. Dust storm.
Listen,
I can sound like the cat that says it.
Fat cat Matt.
I love cheeseburgers too. I love cheeseburgers too! I love cheeseburgers too.
You sure?
Yeah.
You don't like cheeseburgers.
I love cheeseburgers too. I love
how the white horses are the good guys?
That kill the murders.
Huh, that's
Murder
interesting.
horses.
What games are you playing? That reminds me of that game.
I love cheeseburgers
Oh, God.
too. Let me get some cheeseburgers too, or I will blow up the whole universe and your whole house. Unless you give me a cheeseburger too.
Here's a death burger.
I'll blow up your whole house forever.
Here's a cheeseburger. Okay.
It all
I mean,
explodes.
if it was like chicken burger, it would make more sense.
I
Or
love
chicken sandwich or
I
chicken
love chicken burgers
nuggets
too.
or something.
I love chicken burgers.
You don't even like.
Chicken boogers too.
You don't even like hamburgers.
I do.
Really? Okay, we'll have a
Chicken
hamburger.
We'll have a hamburger feast today.
Yeah, we'll have a hamburger feast. And
We'll actually have
don't eat one.
We'll actually sign you up for a hamburger eating contest.
Right.
I've tried a hamburger at Peyton's Lake House Party.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How much did you eat? A half a nibble bite?
A half
A half a whole one.
A half of what?
A burger.
Really?
a cheeseburger too.
A half a
Was it actually a
cheeseburger too?
cheeseburger too?
Well, you could have cheese, but I just had cheese separate.
What? Who does that?
Me.
No one does that.
Me.
No.
Me. 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 What used to be in that place of daylight defense?
That still is inside
Dry
there.
cleaner place.
Stuff is still inside there. Look, stuff is still inside there. Yeah.
I think people still dry clean their clothes, but people used to dry clean their clothes more. There used to be a long time ago, where your clothes they weren't wrinkle free. Ah!
He's like, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna poop across the whole load.
Eat your lollipop.
Look,
Nom,
he's
nom,
like,
nom.
me versus you. Dun, 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 dun. That's the person playing this book. They're just like, all the bulls are coming to kill you. Ha 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 ha. It's like that truck is the boss.
It's either like, yeah, 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 yeah.
And then the other guys are just like, I'm ready. Let's go beat them up. They're all gonna zoom towards us and bust into us. Are you ready, people?
I used to get stuff dry cleaned too. And then I bought wrinkle-free clothes.
Is this wrinkle free?
Uh-huh.
It has wrinkles.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, do you know what wrinkle is?
Everyone has wrinkles. I have wrinkles. Everyone has wrinkles.
No.
I can't. Even if you have something that's wrinkle free, that doesn't mean it's wrinkle free.
It does. It's really English. It's Wrinkle free. We really are late.
That's like a woodpecker.
Quick.
Quick, 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 quick. Quick, quick.
I'll be fat now.
It is a beautiful. It is a beautiful. It's already 7:56.
Yep. You can be late to school.
We'll get late fast.
We've been later.
We got a tardy today, right?
Yeah, you're gonna get tardy. Oh.
In the wrapper and put it in your trash disposal. No, with the wrapper on it or not.
Look up to a poop bag. Look up to a poop bag. There's so much traffic.
Traffic.
Yeah, squad.
Traffic.
Alright, that's squad. Open your mouth.
Your mouth and close your traffic. It's raining traffic. Yum, 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 yum.
sour cream?
Shells.
Trees. No, it's traffic.
Oh, goodness.
Butt car. Bad. Pooping cream.
Oh yeah, my goldfish.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna eat all the packs of goldfish for snack.
Yeah, eat all the packs.
No, you can't.
Yum,
Yum yum. Ew, no. Quick. Stand up.
Oh,
Levon didn't say. Levon didn't.
or for my window.
Gosh, our car is so filthy.
What are you guys doing?
Move. What? Please.
Yeah, you guys are fixing to get out of the car. Do you guys know that?
The business of eating this day.
What?
The business of eating all this.
You're in the business of eating? Okay. Get in the business of getting out of the car in a second.
Yeah, that's goldfish. Concha. You know what?
We'll see you later, guys. Have fun at school. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun.
Have a blessed
You too.